Technology Hobby is a channel about electromagnets, motors, 3D printing, drones and RC vehicles, supercharged kids' toys, tree felling, rock splitting, chainsaw milling, Hilux rolling, cable wrapping, water heating. Okay, too many things. I started this channel because I love watching YouTube. I love seeing people's creations. I love being inspired and learning from the collective wisdom of millions of creators. I want to give back. I want to share my love of engineering and innovation and share with you the challenges, failures and triumphs that hobby engineering always guarantees. I have big plans for this channel, but the huge variety of subjects that I've featured are making it difficult for me to connect with an audience and for that audience to know what to expect from me. So for this reason, I've created a new channel called Aussie Bush Life. And I'll be using this channel to post videos of tree felling, rock splitting, sheep shearing, off-grid living, and keeping Technology Hobby focused on creative electronics projects and hobby engineering. It's a really tough time to be trying to make it in the social media space, and I would be incredibly grateful if you could continue to like, comment, subscribe, and support me in doing these fun projects that I want to share with you. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.